Dr. Jordan here. I wanted to share a quick tip that I very often correct with certain exercises. So anytime we're in a laying on our side type position, if we're doing a clamshell variation, a reverse clamshell variation, a hip abduction variation, whether that be on our mat, whether that be in a side plank type position. A big thing I see is compensation, where we'll get a lot of rocking of the pelvis here, right? As opposed to that pelvis staying nice and fixed and allowing for that movement to come from our muscles here. So one thing I like to tell folks is take your hand, put it on your pelvis here. If you're not recording yourself or looking at yourself in a mirror, it's a great way to feel what's happening, right? Versus feeling like you're going up into those motions, but maybe you're getting a lot of movement at the pelvis. So it allows you to really feel what's happening there. The other thing I like to tell folks is kind of just very gently flatten your back or gently tuck your tailbone versus arching your stomach forward. So gently kind of tucking the tailbone here, that can help to create better stability in that pelvis region, as opposed to when we start to arch, right, we start to get a lot of movement through here. Give it a try, see if that's helpful.